Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Supplement. Supplement means thing added to something else. For example, the handout is a supplement to the official manual. The handout is a supplement to the official manual. Synonyms: addition, supplementation, additive.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The film's theatrical trailer is the only other supplement. Now, repeat after me. The film's theatrical trailer is the only other supplement. The second exempli. All art, all education, can be merely a supplement to nature. Now, repeat after me. All art, all education, can be merely a supplement to nature. The third exempli. This was most likely the least interesting supplement on the disc. Now, repeat after me. This was most likely the least interesting supplement on the disc.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
English is the language of the sky. All pilots must identify themselves in English during international flights. Likewise, all air traffic controllers at international airports must be able to communicate with the pilots in English.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.